Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's make this yummy, delicious and healthy pizza. And for this I will be using some olives, and you can make use of black olives, but I'm making use of green olives, and this has been destoned and has some carrots inside it. I have some cheese, mozzarella cheese. You can make use of Philadelphia or combine it. I have some ham meat, striped ham meat, and this is what it looks like. But if you can't find this type, you can dice yours by yourself. And I also making use of some paprika and some hot dogs, and I have homemade pizza sauce, which I'll be showing you the recipe soon. And over here is my pizza bun or pizza dough. I'll be making use of whole wheat pizza dough. You can use normal or purpose flour pizza dough. So I will be spreading it inside the pan. Meanwhile, I've been preheating the oven for already 10 minutes now. So I just spread the pizza sauce and a lot of cheese. Like I said earlier, you can make use of one type of cheese, or you can combine two types of cheese together like Philadelphia and mozzarella. It will still come out well. After spreading the cheese, I added the hot dogs, and now I'm adding the paprika. You can make use of any ingredients of your choice or any vegetables. Now I'm topping it up with the olives and some ham stripes. You can make use of any meat of your choice as well. Then I'll be topping it up with some cheese again because I love cheesy pizza. After adding the peas, put it inside the oven and bake for 20 minutes depending on how hot your oven tends to get. You know, oven settings differ. But before this, I preheated the oven for about 10 minutes for 220 degrees C. Then after that, after 20 minutes, it's ready. So just dice the pizza, or you cut the pizza. Enjoy with any pizza dip of your choice or ketchup. Guys, even sometimes if I don't have the pizza sauce, that's the tomato sauce that I showed you earlier, I use ketchup and spread on the pizza dough before baking it. So either way, don't grieve for anybody this year. Make your own pizza and enjoy with your family, your friends and your colleagues. Bye. But please, before you go, please give this video a thumbs up, like, comment and share, and make your own pizza. Bye.